10वीं जमात के नताइज में मदरसा तालीमुल इस्लाम तराल कश्मीर में ज़ेर तालीम सादिया जान ने 500 में से 495 नंबरात हासिल करके इदारे का नाम रोशन किया। तालिबा ने बताया कि इसकी कामयाबी के पीछे इनके सख्त मेहनत के साथ साथ इनके असातिज़ा और वालिदैन की मेहनत शामिल है। उन्होंने कहा कि वो मुस्तकबिल में एक डॉक्टर बनकर अवाम की खिदमत करना चाहती है।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। First of all, I am very thankful to Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, who bestowed me this success. After that, my parents, the support, the encouragement which they gave at each and every step throughout my journey. It's not only just about rank which I have got, but it's all about the lessons which I learned from this journey. So yeah, I am feeling very glad at this moment. It's not a proud moment for only me. It's a proud moment for my relatives, my parents, all those who are associated with me. I have taken PCB, and my ambition is to become a doctor, a successful doctor, to serve society with so many with so many achievements. So yeah, it's my ambition, it's my passion to become a successful doctor. I cannot express it in my words how they felt when they heard about my success, when they heard about my result. So I cannot express it in my words. To relieve all those, to help the poor people who cannot afford for the medical treatment. Yeah, so it will be my passion, it will be my ambition, it will be my something different which all those don't do. All family members, my sister, my parents, but especially my sister, my elder sister, played a crucial role in this achievement.